All right, so what's good, y'all, and welcome back to the channel. This is going to be part one of my box Chevy restoration. There's a lot of stuff that I kind of already did that I ain't filmed yet, and I'm gonna go over that in this video. My restoration is going to be different from a lot of other people's restoration, but I just want you guys to see my steps and how I'm going about it. Let me let you guys see the car right quick. I'm gonna pause the video right here before I show you guys the car, so you guys can see some pictures of how the car was when I got it. It was basically a body roller, no motor or anything like that. As a matter of fact, it didn't even have, it couldn't even roll because the tires were flat. But go ahead and go show you guys those pictures and get started with the video. All right, so this is the box as it is now. These are the tires that I had to put on it to tow it from where it was in those pictures. I'm switching it to these rallies. I got the center caps in the car. All in all, the body is pretty decent. I guess to be able to consider this video to be step one, I had to do something. I'll show you guys the main thing that I did in just a second. You can kind of see hints of it in here. A lot of this stuff I'm going to switch out. I'm not going to make too much of a mention of it just yet. A lot of things you're going to see changing. The back seat, nothing too much, nothing, you know, basic stuff. The main thing that I've started on is the motor. I'm currently dropping a 5.3 LS motor inside of the car. And I guess you can call this a restoration on the budget because I'm not trying to spend too much money. I think I got the motor for maybe $600. I found the Tahoe that was basically had been totaled, and it had about maybe 140, 150,000 miles. I can't remember. I originally wanted to go fuel injection. To make things simpler, I ended up going with a carburation conversion kit and a 400 turbo transmission. And I recently bought a cowl hood for it. This cowl hood right here is a 4-inch cowl hood, all fiberglass, made by VFN fiberglass. Super light fiberglass cowl hood. If I'm not mistaken, it's a 4-inch. Yeah, it says it down there. And that's pretty much all I've done with it so far. So what I'm going to do now is continue to take these tires that I had on here off. I'm going to put them onto another car that I'm currently trying to sell. That's going to give me a little bit of money to put back in here. These tires, I basically kind of got them for free. I bought a box Chevy. I'm now planning to sell that box Chevy without the rallies that's on it, put the rallies on here. And like I said, with me doing it, I'm kind of getting some money off the car and getting the rallies for free. I think my next step is to go ahead and wrap up on the motor. I got a guy that's working on it now. Hopefully in the next couple weeks we can get that done and I can hit you guys with part 2 of the video. If you have any questions, comments, anything that you would like to say, go ahead and leave it down below in the comment section. If you'd like to see more videos, make sure you give our channel a like and subscribe to the channel. Go down to the details for the channel. I don't know what it's called. I think the description. Check all the links and stuff that I got right there if you want to support. Thanks for watching again. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.